Welcome back to Automatic Addiction. The 2025 Honda Ridgeline is expected to be a carryover of the extensively updated 2024 model. This year, the Ridgeline gained a dual-hinged tailgate, an upgraded infotainment system, increased interior storage, and introduced the off-road TrailSport trim. Reports suggest that mild hybrid technology could be added for the 2026 model year. The Ridgeline is a mid-size pickup truck that seats 5 passengers and features a 5.3-foot bed with a cargo capacity of up to 33.9 cubic feet. An additional underbed storage compartment provides 7.3 cubic feet of extra space. Standard features include a 9-inch touchscreen, wireless charging, and an integrated trailer hitch. Higher trims offer leather upholstery, heated power front seats, and a sunroof. All-wheel drive is expected to remain standard across all models. The 2025 Ridgeline will likely retain its current powertrain, which includes a 3.5-liter V6 engine producing 280 horsepower and 262 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission that powers the all-wheel drive system. The Ridgeline can tow up to 5,000 pounds. The TrailSport model is equipped with all-terrain tires and an exclusive off-road suspension to enhance its off-road capabilities. Most Ridgeline models are expected to maintain their current fuel economy ratings: 18 miles per gallon city, 24 miles per gallon highway, and 21 miles per gallon combined. The TrailSport trim is slightly less efficient, with a combined rating of 20 miles per gallon. The Ridgeline is likely to continue offering its comprehensive suite of standard safety and driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic high beams, and automatic emergency braking. The TrailSport and top-tier Black Edition trims also feature parking sensors. The Ridgeline currently holds a 5-star overall safety rating from the NHTSA but fell short of IIHS top safety pick status due to an acceptable rating in the passenger side small overlap test, though it received good ratings in all other IIHS crash tests. As a carryover model, the 2025 Ridgeline is expected to have a similar price range to the current model, with only minor adjustments for inflation. For 2024, the Ridgeline starts at $39,750, including destination charges, for the base trim, and goes up to $46,350 for the Black Edition. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more updates and exclusive content on automotive innovation. Thank you for watching.